Hey y'all, Riley from Gadget here. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync Shopify data to your Gadget app through a custom app in the Shopify Partners dashboard. I've got a demo store set up here with some sample products, and I want to pull this product data into my Gadget app. I'm going to do a speedy, quick partners connection. So I'm going to create a new Gadget app. And once my app is created, I'm going to click on the Connections tab. And now at this point, I want to create a new app on the Shopify Partners dashboard. So I can go to the Shopify Partners dashboard under Apps. I can click Create App and Create App manually. We're going to go Partners Connection, Speedy, Quick. Can't go that far. We'll just call it Speedy. We'll create a new custom app on the Shopify Partners dashboard. And then what I'm going to do is copy my API key and my API secret over to Gadget. And I'm going to copy these app and redirection URLs over to my Partners app. I'm going to click on the App Setup tab at the side here. And instead of example.com, I'm going to paste my Gadget app URL and redirection. We can click Save. And it's saving, perfect. Now I can click Connect on my Gadget app. I can scroll down. I just want to pull in product data. So I can select my read and write scope and the product model and confirm. And we can see that the connection is set up. We've imported the product model. Now if I go back to my app on the Partners dashboard, I can select a store to install it on. In this case, just Partners Connection. And Gadget's going to handle the auth for me. So when I click Install App, it will handle verification. We should. Perfect. We get a success message. So now if I go back to my Gadget app and click on Installs, I can see that, yep, we're connected to the store. We can just hit the sync button because we haven't synced. It'll kick off a new sync operation. It should just sync product data for me. So there we go. We have a success message. If I go check out the data page for my Shopify product model, I can see that, yep, looks like all of my product data has been imported. So that's a quick way to set up a custom app using the Partners dashboard and Gadget and sync product data into my Gadget app. Until next time, happy coding.